Okay, with a good morning all. Yes, good morning all. Okay, day before yesterday we just tried to do some practical related things, but I didn't share a documentation with that one. So today we will write down about that word practicals. Okay, please write down these things with me. Okay, yes. So when you wanted to type is something, now listen carefully. Okay, don't make noises. Okay, when you wanted to what? Type is something. We are use MS Word application. What is that? Microsoft Word, otherwise MS Word application. I said that one yesterday, last day. So when we started with the work with the MS Word application, you have to open Microsoft Word application first. What is the first thing? You have to open Microsoft Word application. So how did you do that one? How? How do you do? You have to click on the word icon on the desktop, or if they are having word icon on the desktop, you can click on that one and search for the word starting menu. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, write down this thing. That's the first step. Okay, write down the underlined parts with me. First of all, you have to open word application. The first thing, you have to open word application. It can be starting from the search menu, and otherwise you can take that one is the desktop. Okay, please write down. Write. Start in writing. Please write it. First of all, you have to open MS Word application. After opening MS Word application, they are having a icon called blank document. You have to click on the blank document. Okay, I will show that two steps with the sharing screen with you. Okay, if I share a screen again. Okay, first of all, I will open a Word application. You can see they are having a Word application like it. When you open a Word application, okay, you can see there are icon called blank document. Clear? There is an icon called blank document. When I click on it, when I click using mouse, you can see a empty page like that. Okay, that is the first step. Clear? You have to open Microsoft Word and create what? Blank document. Okay, you can create blank document. And next thing, you have to type your text. Okay, using keyword, using the keyboard, you can type your text. Okay, using the keyboard, you can type your text there. The next thing is you can type something. You can type something using the keyboard as a text. I will share it back. Okay, if I share it, you can see here the word application. You can see they are having a cursor, blinking cursor, like here. That the typing area. It's indicating the where should I type. Okay, now you can see they are having a blinking area. Now you can type something. Like here, I typing. My name is UDANKA or something. I typing. My name is UDANKA. I live in Candy. Okay, like that one you can type. Sorry, like that one you can type something that you wanted clear using keyboard. You can type. You can wanted to give in space using space bar. That what long space bar you can keep it for typing something. Okay, that are the main three things. Okay, what are they? You can open Microsoft Word, create new document, type your text. After that one, you can save. Okay, you can save your work. What? Click on file and save as. Okay, after that one, you can select where you should be saved. And another thing, finally, you can click on save. These are the steps you have to following on. Exactly. These are the steps you should be following on. Please write it. Yes. Right. Okay. These are the main steps that you should be follow when you are using MS Word application. Okay. When you wanted to type something, you have to use MS Word application. In using MS Word application, you have to follow this step mainly. This step mainly. Okay. Write it as. Please write down them. First of all, please write. Okay, write down. Please. These are the steps you have to follow. Okay, write it. Okay, you can write like that. Please write them. And finally, you wanted to save. And they are having some option also. Okay, first of all, write them. I will explain that option. You can change the font size, font styles, make text bold, add the picture, add the title and spelling. And next thing, I think you wrote first or not. Yes. Then change the font style and size. You can change the font style and size. For that thing, you have to select text you wanted to change. For that one, you have to select the text that you wanted to change. And next, in the home tab, you can see they are having several options. You can change the font style, you can change the font size like that. You can change according to that. Okay, right. Fifth one also. Okay, right. Fifth one. You can change the font size and the font styles there. I will show. Look at here. First of all, you have to select. How to select? You can click and drag. Click and drag like this to right side. Clear? Okay. And I can change font style. You can see they are having several font. Can change. You see, click on this any font style you can change. Clear? I take this one. And I can change the font size. When I click, you can see it's change the font style. And I can change here color, font color option. When I click on here, you can see I can change the font colors like here. These are the options you can see on there. Clear? These are the options you can see on here. Okay. Like that one, they are having several options with MS Word application. We will write them. Okay. We will write about them. First of all, please write down this. Please write. Okay, write. Do that. Write down quickly. Write. Don't make noise. Okay, write. Write it. Okay, write down. Write down it. Okay, but they write down them. Quickly write. Okay, write it quickly. Write it. Okay, I think you wrote these things, no? Yes. Okay. We'll write other thing on the next day. They are having some option with you. We will discuss them on the next day. Okay. So I think it's almost time up for today. We will write other things and verticals for the next day. Okay. Okay, today we will see you on next day. Okay. So good morning all. See you on next day. Okay. Good morning, Pute. See you next day. See you. Bye.